everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make sesame chicken Indo-Chinese style, because my lot of friend requests about the some like Nepali dishes, and this is a Chinese dish, just I modify Nepali style. So guys, sesame chicken is very popular everywhere, and this is come from China, but taste is like a little bit sweet and crunchy. But today I'm going to make Nepali style, a little bit spicy, and these are all the ingredients. So chicken breast 1 lb 16 ounce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice vinegar, black pepper, stew egg, water, cornstarch, salt, garlic, honey, sesame seed, chili paste. And this is cornstarch and regular all-purpose flour I mix together. So I'm going to first slice chicken pieces, and then I cut slice slowly. So guys, you can cut also chunk or dice, but this style is very good for crunchy and cook fast. I cut slice. So now I'm going to put some seasoning, salt. Woo! And then black pepper. So I'm going to mix. So 10 minutes I'm going to put refrigerator. Okay guys, I take out chicken from the refrigerator. So this is the 2 eggs. So mix together and just add little bit water, cold water, maybe half a spoon, and whisk. And this is a cornstarch and flour I mix already together, a little bit seasoning, salt and pepper. So this chicken, one by one, the coat with eggs like that, and throw like that. Woo! Don't put together, it's gonna be stick, put separate. One by one. So chicken I coat already flour, cornstarch and flour. So I'm going to fry now. Look at that. It's look nice, yeah? So guys, oil should be hot, almost 350 Fahrenheit. Otherwise, if you don't have a thermometer, the oil temperature, so you can check oil is smoke coming. So that means oil is too hot. So I'm going to put one by one. So do not put together, it's gonna be stick and it's not cook well. Just cook like 2 to 3 minutes. After golden brown, you take out. Okay guys, this is almost fried. Look at that. It's a golden brown. It's gonna be crispy. Okay guys, I'm going to make sauce first. So 3 tablespoons soy sauce, one tablespoon oyster sauce, half tablespoon honey, teaspoon chili paste, 2 tablespoon rice vinegar, and mix together. So this is the sauce. So I'm going to make now sauce and with mix together chicken. It's the olive oil. Just put the 1 spoon olive oil. And add the garlic, chopped garlic. These 2 pieces garlic I chopped already. So add this sauce. Before I mix already that sauce. I'll throw the little bit water, 1 spoon. Keep boiling like a 2 minute because sauce coming thicker. And this is a cornstarch. I mix 1 tablespoon water and throw the slowly. The sesame seed. The chicken. And throw the sesame seed. And mix well. So garnish scallion onion on the top. Ooh, look at that, yummy. So this is a ready chicken, sesame chicken, guys. So I'm going to now taste. Okay guys, this is a sesame chicken Indo-Chinese style. So I'm going to taste. It's very delicious. And this is the perfect texture and little bit spicy, so Indo-Chinese style. Well, thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please like, subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestion about my video, please don't forget to write in comment. Thank you very much.